Hello there, everybody. It's Monday. It's music video makeup Monday. All right, we're back. Hello there, everybody. How's everybody doing? I am your humble and gracious host, Miss Nikki, here today. And today we are going to be doing a very, very, very iconic music video makeup look. And I'm excited for it. There's a lot of fun facts about it. And it's a fun look. And that is Nicki Minaj's Super Bass music video makeup look. So the coloring in the video was a little bit funny, and I feel like her very first look where she has the split hair going on, her lipstick was looking like high pink and then kind of like a subdued pink, and like the color grading was a little bit, you know. So I decided to go with the second look because the second look is pretty consistent, pretty easy to see, all of that. So we're gonna create that look, and I'm really excited to do it, and I hope you guys are excited to see it as well. Quick disclaimer before we jump in and get started. I don't want anybody to ever hit in the comments and be like, oh my god, Nicolette, you're not, you know, a person of color, whatever. Look, I'm doing this video to provide you guys with some facts about this music video makeup look. I'm here to show you guys how to do this look, of course, at the same time. And everything that I'm doing on my face is something that any skin tone of person can do on their faces as well. And the principles that we will be going over today, you can do as well. Just change the colors, obviously, of your skin tone to match your skin tone. But the eyes, the highlighting, the contouring, all of that, all of those principles stay the same. You just have to adjust it based off of your skin tone. So just wanted to throw that in there because I don't want to hear anybody later on being like, hey, Nicolette, what the heck? Without further ado, let's get started. I just felt like I had to add that in there because some people can be... Next thing I also wanted to say is that everything that we use today is going to be linked down below, so I'm probably not going to write it on the screen, so everything you'll see down below. So if you are wondering like, hey, what palette is she using, it's all going to be down there. So yeah, so let's get started. Today I wanted to start off with the eyes, surprisingly, because this look is pretty dramatic with the eyes, and I feel like it's going to be a lot easier to just put the foundation on and just perfect it as needed. So first step for the eyes is I'm going to do my trusty dusty little eyeshadow base. So Super Bass, if you haven't heard this song, what the heck, where have you been? Where have you been all my life? Okay, that's Rihanna. But anyways, where have you been? Okay, this song was huge in 2010 and 11, okay? Huge. Super Bass was released in actually 2010. It was the 5th single off of Nicki Minaj's Pink Friday album. It was actually written by Nicki Minaj herself along with a few others. It was also written by Easter Dean as well as Roan Hilton and Kane Beats. So it was a full production. Everybody was there to help out, and that they did. It was a song that quickly rose up the charts. It didn't rise as quickly as per se some of the other ones that we've talked about on this channel, but it did rise pretty quickly. So the first week, the week of May 14th, 2011, it released, and it was at 98 on the Billboard Hot 100 list. The following week, it climbed 50 points at number 48 on the Billboard Hot 100 list. And then week 14, it climbed even higher, and it reached number 3 at its peak, which honestly, when I heard that, I was actually pretty shocked because I know, what, 2011, I was like, what, like 9th, 10th grade, maybe? I don't know. I can't do math. But, you know, I was in high school at least. And I remember like everybody loving that song, and I remember when the music video came out, I was like obsessed. Like I had never seen colors like that before, and I just was like so in awe. So I don't know, to me it was way bigger than just number 3. It was like a number 1. So anyways, when the song dropped, it was actually the highest charting song by a female rapper since Work It, which was dropped by Missy Elliott, obviously, in 2002. So that was, what, almost 10 years later? That was the highest chart topper, was Super Bass. So I thought that was kind of cool. I was like, wow, okay, cool. Did not know that. The music video was directed by Sana Hamri, and you know, did a really good job of the directing. I have to say, I love this music video so much. It was said that they wanted to make the video very colorful, which in my opinion, they definitely nailed. And they wanted it to be very like candy pop, like very candy colored, you know, like fun. And like I said, I think that they did that. They did their thing on that one. The video was originally aimed to premiere, I think on MTV they said, but they ended up not going that route for who knows what reason, and instead debuted the song on Vivo. Which to this day, I don't even know what the difference is between Vivo and YouTube, and do they still drop videos on this like a Vivo channel? I have no idea. But Vivo was the thing. If you wanted the legit music videos, like you would not just like look up like music video, you had to look up their Vivo, or else you were risking watching not the right one. But yeah, it aired on her Vivo on May 5th, 2011. And honestly, like there wasn't much information on the actual like song, video, all of that, as much as I thought that there would be. Like I said, to me this song was major, so I was kind of shocked when I wasn't finding this stuff. Whatever. All in all, this video and this song got just all around great reviews. Like everybody everywhere seemed to just love it. Like producers loved it, singers loved it, record labels loved it. Like this was just one of those songs that once you heard it for the first time, you just knew. You knew it was a success off the rip. Nikki went on to perform it for the very first time at the 2011 Billboard Awards. And then of course, she performed it many more times after that. The song also went on to win a music video award, MTV Music Video Award, a Platinum Video Award, wasn't too familiar with what that was, along with a BMI Award. And to this day, the video on YouTube has accumulated about 877 million views, which, this is me being greedy, I thought it would have had at least 1 billion. Like at least 1 billion, but no, it's just 877 million. But don't get me wrong, I feel like it's gonna hit 1 billion pretty soon, for sure. It has to. It has to. It's major. Let's help her get to that. Since I'm not going anywhere, that's the reason why I'm not putting on falsies, but she's definitely wearing falsies in this look. She also has thinner eyebrows than I do, so since mine are already thick, I'm not gonna stress coloring them or anything. I'm just going to kind of wipe them off, just so that there's no additional color on them, to just kind of, you know, let them shine through. As I say in a lot of my videos, I was not able to find the makeup artist for this one. So if you guys do know who the makeup artist is, please link them down below, because I have zero clue. I have the absolute hardest time. Like, why don't they include them? Why can you never find this information? Like IMDb or whoever it is that is in charge of, you know, casting and writing down this information. Can you start including this? Because I want to know. Like, I'm very familiar with the new age stuff, but the older stuff, like, there's just little to no information on it, and it's frustrating. Now it's lipstick, and this is the funnest part. And it matches my nails that I got today. But as I did this lipstick, this is the color of the lipstick, and then we're gonna add a gloss here on top. Honestly, it just soaked it in because I have cracked lips. So you get the gist though, you know, it's a little bit on the shiny side of life. But that basically sums up this music video makeup look. Like I said, there wasn't that much information out there about the song, just a little bit about its placement and just how everybody seemed to love it. Like literally everything I read was like, people loved it, they loved this song, the producers loved it, the writers, they loved it. And I was like, okay, great, but like, what else? Like, was there any inspo behind it? Like, how did this come about? But just when you see the music video and you hear it, it's basically a love story between, you know, two people and a girl trying to find the guy and just tell him, boy, you got my heartbeat running away, beating like a drum and it's coming your way. Don't you like Anyways, but yeah, people loved it, especially the boom ba boom boom ba boom baby. People loved, and people sang, and people admired so much. It was classic. It was classic, and even now it's like you listen to it and it's just it's a banger. It's a banger, and everybody respected it back then. That riff, that hook, people were just like, well done, well done. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, this is the general vibe of this look. You could probably go more with a greener undertoned blue for the eyes. This one was a little bit more like deep, I guess, but other than that, this is the general premise of this look, minus the false eyelashes, which of course you can add on as you would like. I ain't going anywhere, so there's no need for them. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys found this fun, and please, please, please let me know in the comments down below, who should I do next? I want to know, because I have the hardest time finding people to do, because I find that makeup artists, like a lot of these like iconic music videos, they have like the same looks. Like, it sounds dumb to say, and that's why I always want to do Lady Gaga. That's why I always want to do like Nicki Minaj in this one. Dope. I want to do Cardi B's. I want to do people like that, because like those are like the ones that have a lot of color and a lot of like fun. But just like random other classics, they're just not as fun. They're just like generic, you know, just general. Anyways, let me know in the comments who you think I should do next, because I would like to know, and I would like to see their look and just try and give you guys some facts about them and recreate the look all together and all of that. So yes, let me know. I look forward to seeing them in the comments, and thank you guys again for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.